In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an envelope in Docusign. Whether you're new to using Docusign or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step you need to know to get started smoothly. Let's dive in. First, to begin, make sure you're logged in to your Docusign account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create an account first. Once you're logged in, look to the main navigation to find a section called Agreements. Go ahead and click on this to enter the area where you can manage and send your documents. Now that you're in the right place, you'll want to initiate your envelope. Find and click the button labeled Start Now. This action will get you on track to prepare the document you want others to sign. When you navigate here, you'll see an Upload button. Click on it, which will allow you to upload the document you want to send. You can choose a file from your computer, or, if you prefer, select an existing template you have saved within Docusign. Next, you're going to add recipients to your envelope. This step is crucial because it dictates who will be viewing and potentially signing the document. Click the Add Recipient option, where you'll enter the email addresses of the people involved. Here, you can also set the signing order, which is handy if you need the signature process to follow a particular sequence. Once your recipients are added and their roles defined, click Next to proceed to the tagging view. The tagging view is where you lay down specific interactive fields on your document, such as signature and date fields, ensuring each recipient knows exactly where and what to sign or fill out. You can add text fields, checkboxes, and more, tailored to fit the needs of your document. Take some time here, as setting this part up accurately will make the signing process much smoother. Once you've placed all necessary tags and are confident everything is in order, you have two options. You can either click Send to dispatch the document immediately, or, if you'd prefer to save and come back later, use the Actions drop-down menu to locate the Save and Close option. This feature is particularly useful if you need input from someone else before finalizing, or if something requires additional reviews. And that's it. You've successfully prepared and sent your Docusign envelope. This process not only allows you to efficiently manage document signatures, but also streamlines interactions with multiple parties. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit it anytime you need a hand with Docusign.